Hello, my name's Jane. I'm going to show you how we made the Lion Sleeps Tonight video. Here's our robot dance troupe. Our backing band is made up of 2 Robo Sapiens. Our lead singer is a Robo Sapien V2 and he's holding a mic. And here is Roboraptor taking the part of the lion. You can see the robots are on a green fabric and it's also on the boards behind me. This is a cheap polyester jersey that stretches without creasing, so it's ideal for green screen work. It cost me just £3 a metre and I've used about 8 metres of it. The secret to good green screen work is lighting, but it doesn't have to cost a fortune. I've set up some work lights from our local tool store. These cost £20 a set. The work lights are illuminating the green screen. I've also set up some other lights to illuminate the robots. These are behind white umbrellas to give a softer effect. To create the dance routine, we used go-robo Studio. Now Studio controls all of these robots simultaneously by streaming infrared signals from the computer to the robot. The signal is sent via a USB infrared device. The one we used is RoboRemote, but you could also use a Tira 2, a RedRap 3, USB UIRT or a RoboBlaster. I'm now going to hand you over to Peter, a professional programmer. Peter's going to show you how you can use go-robo Studio to choreograph and storyboard a robot dance routine using programming techniques.
If you're making any dance video, you first need to choreograph your performers. We used go-robo Studio to do this for our video, and this is how. Each robot has some dance routines to perform. These are very simple programs which we scripted in GridScript. This is one of the routines for our 2 Robo Sapiens. It's called arm waves. As you can see, it's 4 simple actions with short pauses between them. The pauses are the secret of how you make the robot perform in time with the music. If we run the program and let it loop, you can see what it does. And that's how we create the routines. Now you've seen how to make one type of robot dance, I'll show you how we make all our robots dance together. You need to write programs for each of the robots' different moves, and then send them to the player. This is where we assemble the programs, along with sounds and music ready to make our video storyboard. Now all the resources are in the project, I can start to organise them. I'm going to do this using the keyboard and mouse, but you can do this by dragging and dropping as well. First I'll add the music. Select the track and position, click the Use button, and that's the music added. Next, I'll add the V1 arm waves programs you saw before, and set how long it plays for. By default, the program will repeat for that duration. Now I'll add the same program again, and here's a Robo Sapien V2 program. Now let's complete the project. Robo Sapien and Robo Sapien V2 programs, Roboraptor programs, and finally the Roboraptor sound effects. Next we videoed the robots on our green screen stage. We recorded the entire performance 7 times from end to end. First with all the robots together, and then the different robots using different camera angles and zooms. This simulated having 7 live cameras filming the same performance, just like a real music video. We couldn't afford to fly to a jungle, so we created one with a picture of our local woods. When we apply the green screen effect, it makes the robot look like they're in the woods. For each of the different shots we took of the robots, we cut out a part of the background picture to match the position of the robot. Finally, we edited the video in Premiere Elements and replace the low quality live audio with a clean output direct from go-robo.
It costs just £3 a metre, and I've used about 8 metres. Shush!